Hey guys, hello Tech World here. So numerous brands have produced a wide variety of wireless earbuds to suit the needs of their consumers, and I would have to say that Huawei is doing a great job with the Huawei Freebuds 4i. The earbud sells around $70. It comes with a USB Type-C cable and two other plastic tips for the earbuds, mainly small and large. That's very thoughtful of Huawei. You can choose which tips fit comfortably in your ears. Looking at this nice carbon black finish, the Freebuds 4i comes in an oval shaped case that looks like a pebble and it is lightweight. It also comes in white and red variants. It has a glossy look which makes it a fingerprint magnet and can easily slip on your fingers with a loose grip, so be sure to handle it with care, okay?
Okay.
The back is flat, so it doesn't roll off the desk when you place it down. On the front of it is the LED indicator and the Huawei branding. Underneath is a USB-C charging port, and on the right is a pairing button. Opening the lid, you have the Freebuds, which are thicker than you'd expect. It has a fairly strong magnet that helps the earbuds fit firmly into the case. On the stem, you have the external microphone. The earbuds fit very comfortably in the ear and don't fall off easily. On the side of the earbuds are the touch controls, which has limited features. Double tapping on either the right or the left earbud will pause or play music, and in the case of a phone call, double tapping will answer or end a call. You can long press on any of the earbuds to switch between the different modes, that is, the active noise cancellation, the awareness mode, and the neutral mode. However, downloading the Huawei AI Life app will allow you to further customize the touch controls. There's double tap to play the next song, and the option to activate the voice assistant. The Huawei AI Life app also gives you an overview of the battery status of the earbuds and access updates for the Freebuds 4i. Highlighting the features of the Freebuds 4i, the awareness mode works by using the external microphone to amplify the voice from your surroundings, so you are aware of what's going on around you. Pretty handy when crossing the street or when you do not want to pull out your earbuds during a conversation. The noise cancellation is not the best, but it's okay as you can still hear some background noise. However, when you turn the volume up to a certain level, the noise cancellation becomes more prominent. Pairing the earbuds with your phone is quite easy. If you have a Huawei phone running EMUI 10 and above, you should see this pop up on the lower end of the screen, and it should pair up automatically once you flip the case open. However, if you're on any other device, you can long press on the pairing button for the LED to flash, and you should see the earbuds in your list of your Bluetooth devices. And finally, the Freebuds 4i case has a 215 mAh battery capacity, while each earbud has a 55 mAh power cell, which Huawei claims provides 10 hours of continuous playback with active noise cancellation, often up to 4 hours of playback on a 10-minute charge. The Freebuds 4i are among the impressive wireless ANT earphones, which provides quality at lower price, better design, and easy navigation. The 10-hour continuous playback will never leave you worried about charging the earbuds anytime soon. If you're considering getting a wireless earbud for an affordable price range, then the Freebuds 4i are a great piece you should try out. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the content, kindly like, share, and subscribe for more videos.